What's up, good people? I'm your girl Meeshee, back with another video. So today I thought of doing a different hair with you. This is passion twist. This is how it looks like. This is how it is packaged, and it's number 133. I hope you can see it. So when I open the package, this is how it looks like, and then so they have like a kanini here. You can read how to do if you want to do crochet, but since I don't want to do crochet, I'm working with it this way. It comes when covered with this kanini here. It's like a net. So the hair actually looks like this. It comes in 2 bundles, and yeah, so we're gonna try this together. So I'm going to start with my first 3/4. I did straighten my hair using a flat iron, and yeah, we're gonna work with these parts first. So guys, here I'm going to explain to you how I braided the hair. I thought of not crocheting because my hair was kinda slippery and I felt like the hairstyle wouldn't last longer than I expected. So here I'm going ahead to just twist out my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my braid. What I chose to do, I did not separate the braid. I used the braid as a whole, the way it was, and I first braided the roots of my hair, and then I went ahead after braiding it. I twisted it to, I didn't really have a side I was going. I just twisted out what in a way I felt I wanted to twist it out. So you can just choose any way you want to twist the hair, and it will still give you the results you want. Yeah. So as you can see, that's the end results of my first braid. I was really doubtful of how the braid turned out because I really didn't expect the water waves to look that way, but the more I did the braiding, the more I got the results. As you can see, I used one strand of the braid. I did not separate it, and my goal was to really reuse this hair after I'm done with this style. I'm intending to use it in another way, of which you will still see. I will still show you what I really reused it with these braids, but my goal was to get a good style, a new fancy style, and still achieve my look, and I still save some coins to reuse these braids later on. So in case you tried it, just comment down on the comment section and let me know how you really feel about this, because I really enjoyed braiding this hair. It was very simple, and the more I did it, the more I saw the results looking better and nice. So this is the next day. I really loved the end results of everything. The hair is totally a lightweight hair, and that's one of the amazing thing I loved about this hair. The texture was amazing. I'm always a darling brand uh, person. I really don't like Angel brand. I don't know, because of the quality. They just something that turns me off about it. But I'm a darling babes. So I'm just kindly trying to show you the end results of everything. I laid down my edges. Everything is fine. I did a simple look because I was going to work, and I felt you all deserve to see the end results of this hair. And yeah, I loved everything about it. Easy to style, easy to rock, and easy to do it, because it literally took me 3 4 hours of doing everything about it. Yeah, and I was able to achieve everything at the end of the day. So in case you like this kind of content, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you feel about this hair.